Since early 2025, Siji volunteers in Lumbini have been holding monthly chanting sessions of the Sutra of Innumerable Meanings.
我们每个月的24个诵经那都是由他们自己来筹备，也就由他们自己来安排。这一点呢，其实让我们很感恩本地志工已经了解了我们慈济的做事的方式，而且融入了慈济的这样子的一个人文
When we came early morning and we do a chanting, and it feels like very calm with us, like we have, if any tension, it's going to free, and we feel very relaxed after we do a chanting, and we want to do every month as well.
By the end of 2024, the Nepali translation of the Sutra of Innumerable Meanings was completed. Each month, volunteers visit 32 temples across Lumbini. Their sincerity has deeply moved local Dharma masters. They hope that when people hear the chanting in their own language, they'll be more willing to learn the sutra and benefit from it.
एकदम गहिरो छ त्यो शून्यताको बारेमा अनित्यको बारेमा अनि यस्तो छन् अनि त्यो बेला हामीले चाहिँ यसलाई राम्रोसँग बुझ्यो भने हामी पनि अब एक दिन अवश्य बुद्ध प्राप्त गर्छौं.
Most important things I have learned that there is mention about the seeds. So one seeds is very important. Similarly, like one local people is very important to do the work, because from one to one there will be 100,000. So we have to work together in harmony.
Chanting with a focused mind is not just a ritual for spreading the Dharma. It allows the Dharma to flow like water, nourishing the seeds of compassion and wisdom in people's hearts, helping them grow into a forest that protects the world. ITV reports.